I am Vinod, and I have brought very important three prepositions in this video. The prepositions are on, in, and at. How to use in the regular sentence. So I am just going to tell you all the details of these three prepositions. So I will explain all about the prepositions, and the sentences will come on the screen with the examples. You can see, if you like, then you can note down. So first of all, I can start with the on. The first sentence, that is, I am walking on the road. It means I am putting my legs on the road. So in that case you have to use on, and similarly you can use with the vehicles also, just like bike is riding on the road or car is running on the road. So these sentences are correct and you have to use like that. The next sentence, that is on the table. So guys, something you put on the table, it could be pen, it could be book, just like I keep my book on the table, I keep my pen on the table, then you have to use on. Similarly you can use like I keep my mobile on the bed, I am sitting on the chair. So you have to use like that. So in this particular way you have to use on. The next sentence, that is on the wall. On the wall, in the sense something I am putting on the wall. It could be anything, just like watch or the scenery's picture also. For example, I am putting scenery's picture on the wall. So just you have to use like that. These are the concept only, and you have to get the concept. Now I can tell you the next sentence, on the bus, on the train. On the bus, on the train. Only in these two way you have to use on. For the remains vehicles you have to use in. For example, suppose you are traveling through the bus or the train, someone can call you, can ask to you where exactly you are, then you have to say I am on the train, I am on the bus. So you have to use like that. The next sentence, that is floating on the water. So some lighter things are floating on the water. It could be the paper, wooden, some plastic things also. So in that case you have to use on. Why? Because it's a floating upper part of the water. So in that case you have to use on, not in. But someone is bathing in the river, in that case you have to use in, not on. Why? Because in that case the body is completely inside of the water. So in that case you have to use in, not on. The next sentence, that is on the screen. So guys, something you are using on YouTube or you are watching any TV serial on the channel. So when you get such a moment, then you have to use on, not in. This is the use of on. How to use in the regular sentence. Guys, I have told you few sentences as examples, but you can make many more sentences just simply following the concept, right? The concept is a more important thing, and you should get the concept only. So now I can tell you about the in also. So in equally important, just like a on. Without in, sentence is really incomplete. So how to use in, now I can tell you one by one. The sentences will come on the screen. First sentence, that is I am in the park. I am in the park, it means the area is completely covered up, it's inside of the area, right? In that case you have to use I am in the park. Similarly you can use just like I am in the room, I am in the hotel, I am in the theater, I am in the restaurant also. So this is the use of the in, so you have to use like that. The next sentence, that is in the bag. Something I keep inside the bag. It could be the book, pen, I keep my book in the bag. So it's inside of the bag, so you have to use like that. Similarly, the money is in the wallet and the wallet is in my pocket. So guys, you have to use like that. Why? Because the things is completely inside, so you have to use in. The next sentence, that is water in the glass, water in the bucket. So in this way you have to use in, water in the glass, water in the bucket. So you have to use like that. If I talk about the country or the city or state, then you have to use in. Suppose I am in India, I am in Delhi, so you have to use like that. The next sentence, that is if I talk about the photograph, so in that case you have to use in. I am in that photograph, my friend is in that photograph. So this is the use of in, and you have to use like that. Similarly you can make many more sentences. This is just a concept. So guys, now I can tell you about the next preposition, that is at. So guys, at is equally important, just like on and in. How to use in the regular sentence, now I can tell you. Guys, I have seen many people, they make some mistakes while using the at. They use in instead of at. So in this video I am just going to clear all your doubts, and definitely after that you will be able to use at. How to use at in the sentence. First sentence, that is I am at hotel. So guys, I am at hotel, I am not inside the hotel, right? I am at hotel, it could be I am outside of the hotel, I am very close to the hotel, but exactly I am not inside the hotel. So in that case you can say like that, I am at hotel. Might be possible I am waiting for someone, right? So I am at hotel. Similarly you can use for the home also, I am at home, I am at restaurant, I am at theater. So you have to use like that. When you are not inside of some particular place, then you have to use at. So this is really very important. The next sentence, that is I am at railway station. In the sense, I am not in the platform, I am outside of the railway station, so that I am outside of the railway station. So you have to use like that. The next sentence, that is, as I told you, for the country we have to use in, for the city we have to use in, but guys, whenever you are talking about the area, then you have to use at, not in. For example, I am at Adarsh Nagar. So Adarsh Nagar is a area in Delhi city, so you have to use at. I am at Adarsh Nagar. So guys, these are the use of at, how to use in the sentence. I have told you few sentences, you can make many more sentences, just getting the concept only. So just get the concept, and this is really very useful. I have told you about the on, in and at, how to use in the regular sentence. Just you have to follow the same rule. So guys, I have told you the on, in and at, how to use in the regular sentence. Few other uses of the on, in and at in the timing. So in this video exactly I am not going to cover up. For that I will make another video, then I will bring all those details. So guys, before closing the video, as I do with my all video, I would like to give you two tips here. First of all, about the practice, and the second one, that is about the vocabulary. So guys, the practice is really very important. When you want to do the practice, when you want to learn English, then you have to do the practice. Otherwise it is really very difficult to learn English, right? So make sure you have to do the practice. If you have a better intention to learn English, so definitely you have to do the practice. Otherwise definitely it is very difficult, right? The next tips, that is about the vocabulary, word meanings. So guys, these are also very important. I have seen many people, they don't focus on word meanings. So guys, don't do that. The word meanings are equally important, and make sure to write down around 3 to 4 words meaning every day on your notebook. Just memorize it, and definitely it will help you to construct the sentence. So guys, you have to do like that. So guys, if you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, then you can write down in the comment box. So guys, I'm just going to close this video. Till then, take care and bye. Thank you guys.